After nearly 23 hours, an Air India technical team managed to retrieve a SpiceJet Boeing 737 aircraft which was stuck in the mud at Mumbai airport late on Tuesday, an official said here late on Wednesday. The aircraft had skidded off the main runway while landing and got stuck in the soft wet mud, blocking the main runway 0927. It had arrived as SpiceJet Varanasi Mumbai flight SG703 with 183 passengers. During landing, the aircraft overshot the runway and skidded off into the unpaved surface due to wet runway conditions caused due to heavy rains. SpiceJet aircraft that got stuck in mud at Mumbai airport has been removed from runway. pic.twitter.com/FEVW2 Kirkwar, Ani at Ani September 20, 2017. However, all passengers deplaned safely with the help of chutes and were taken to the arrival hall. Later on Wednesday, an Air India technical team launched a massive exercise to retrieve the stranded aircraft, which compelled suspension of all operations on the main runway. Till Wednesday morning, more than 77 incoming flights were cancelled and another 84 outgoing services were cancelled. Besides, there was one diversion and 6 go-arounds, even as heavy rain continued to batter the city since the past 36 hours. By evening, as limited operations continued on the secondary runway, there were another 17 cancellations out of approx 125 arrivals and 6 outgoing flights out of 118 were cancelled. Almost 85 oncoming flights were delayed between 45 minutes to 2 hours, besides many outgoing services. As a result, many thousands of domestic and foreign passengers from different national and international sectors across various airlines were stranded at various locations. Earlier this evening, the Mumbai airport had said the main runway would be closed till Thursday 6 a.m. Now, it is expected that after necessary procedures are completed, the main runway may be cleared for normal operations much earlier. First published 21 September 2017, 12:52 a.m. Web title: Mumbai stranded SpiceJet aircraft retrieved after 23 hours. Latest news in English from Newsks.